bullish Ethereum ETH cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $13 to $671.96 and $25 and $824.82 by 2030. Market investigators accept ETH could reach $10 $633.75 by 2025. Negative Ethereum market cost expectation for 2023 is $2 $430.57. Ethereum ETH presentation. Software engineer Vitalik Buterin made Ethereum in 2013. Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony D'Iorio, and Joseph Lubin were extra Ethereum pioneers. Crowdfunding for advancement work began in 2014, and the organization sent off on July 30, 2015. Anybody can distribute long-lasting and unchangeable decentralized applications on Ethereum, permitting clients to speak with them. Applications for decentralized finance DeFi offer a large number of monetary administrations without the requirement for customary monetary go-betweens like banks, businesses, or trades, for example, empowering digital currency proprietors to get or loan cash against their property out for revenue. NFTs are explicit tokens that show responsibility for related resource or honor and are recognized by a few foundations. They are in like manner conceivable to create and trade utilizing Ethereum. Furthermore, a few other digital currencies have utilized the Ethereum blockchain as a stage for starting coin contributions and utilize the ERC20 symbolic norm. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into Ethereum, this guide can help. What is Ethereum ETH? Ethereum is a blockchain-based decentralized worldwide programming stage at its heart. It is known for Ether, frequently known as ETH, its local digital currency. Anybody can utilize Ethereum to assemble any solid advanced innovation they can envision. A token is incorporated into it explicitly for utilization on the blockchain network. However, clients may likewise utilize it to pay for undertakings done on the blockchain. Adaptable, programmable, secure, and decentralized are elements of Ethereum. Thus, it is the blockchain of decision for organizations and engineers who are building innovation on top of it to change a few areas and how we carry on with our day-to-day routines. As indicated by specialized investigation performed on Ethereum, the cost of ETH has been following a falling triangle design since mid-last year. At the decision, ETH's cost went through an exemplary bullish breakout and is expected to return to the nearest hindrance. One more uplifting sign that the cost of ETH going over the moving normal with solid exchanging movement upholds this. Accordingly, on the off chance that the pattern proceeds and Ethereum's cost goes over the main obstruction, the following significant region to watch out for is most likely to perceive how ETH's value answers this line might approve or discredit longer-term expectations. Third, since clients might utilize this computerized cash to pay for items and administrations on the Ethereum blockchain, the second era of blockchains, Ether, can be viewed as another sort of cash. For example, non-fungible tokens NFT, for example, crypto collectibles, think about things in the gaming area, or advanced workmanship collectibles are bought utilizing Ether. Ethereum is presently worth $3.3821 est. ETH has moved 13% as of now with an exchanging volume of $18,173,713 at M25. Ethereum is presently positioned 602 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $356,860,336,838 est. Using the overall strength record RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union uniqueness MACD from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Ethereum ETH to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Ethereum ETH market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Ethereum ETH Value Forecast 2023. Ethereum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The ETH cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $4,557.80. Similarly, as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $4,253.95 in cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. ETH is supposed to have a base worth of $3,646.24. Ethereum ETH Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Ethereum ETH cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ETH will before long outperform Tether 7,596.34. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the ETH's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ETH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $677.07 and a typical exchanging cost of $684.78. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 10 at 10 to 634.87 and ETH might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ETH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $9 to 723.31 and a low of $9 115.60 in 2025. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2026. Assuming Ethereum effectively helps market feeling among digital money fans, the ETH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ETH will be green in 2026. The ETH is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $13,673.40, with a base cost of $12,154.14 and a typical cost of $12 to $761.84. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ETH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $15,838 by 2027, with a base cost of $15,192.67 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ETH has a most extreme value worth of $16,711.94. Ethereum ETH value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $18,838.91. In the event that ETH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $19,750.47. Neglecting to accumulate the help ETH needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $18,231.20. Ethereum ETH value forecast 2029. While ETH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $21,269.74 and a yearly cost close above $22,789.01 in 2029. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2030. By 2030, Ethereum will at last outperform its past ETH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $24,308.27 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $25,827.54, averaging out at $24,950.98. Ethereum is a digital currency that is on a very basic level modifying how we lead business. For instance, it is presently practical to supplant current standard agreements with brilliant agreements, the progressive thought made by one of Ethereum's prime supporters, to increment exchange security, lessen costs, and perhaps decentralize the whole planet. With additional exchanges than Bitcoin, Ethereum is turning out to be more evolved in its application and future turn of events. In this manner, we can unhesitatingly foresee that the organization will extend and keep on being perhaps of the most unmistakable member